say second Nigeria about my Ghana number meaning Nigeria so that main church and no matter who are you and your fees are Kasubomia Yane Gold Coast refinery nothing so run refinery and no matter who the Bama or my Ghana dedicated a first ever local gold refinery agreement between the government of Ghana and a local refinery for value addition to the country's precious minerals. You got some value addition. I say you did before Froeka, you think a cock on one done ye amount of wine, I call amount for marshal. It's a good dream and the Ekasi and I win a great decay. Visa. And over His Excellency John Dramani Mahama or Pau, you are familiar with it. Uncle Da a year can APM not different good board and me or shall I say some pens one. And many that's oh my God, disably. I think so. Camino Sanka, the Chicago for the San or El Amount for Maswa. A Yana, the Quamount for Maso, more refinery. That's what Daniel said about a good road of Costro. And then I mean, yes, I refinery by the year from the 1st of February 2026. Millions of dollars in refining charges, which would have been paid in refineries to say Dubai, India, Hong Kong, Switzerland, any amount would have to say, that's the kind of Babeka memoir, the economy. I say several direct in and indirect jobs and the Babeka, particularly now, Wabra Ura Said, a year, Penya Wada, Gold Coast Refinery, Wada and a D, Nayan boy, and them share. You may be a only good border about the Naya refine your good woman. Yet, Omuti said 24-hour economy policy. No, His Excellency John Dramani the buy. Omudio with your shop, the meaning say, you may have the meaning. That means that you may have my 4P, no more yet, or refine, you know. It's way no better, a new man so abba, and of course, in fulfillment of that 24-hour economy. No, I think so. Increased tax revenue for Yemai Ghana as a refinery that has been redundant for the last 9 years has finally come alive with up to 1 metric ton of gold refining a week. And Dr. Bakusha, yes, Ghana for water, and Nigeria, they said, now what should be you better refining 1 metric ton of gold. Now what you be out? You better refining 1 metric ton of gold. Now you know so bad ama emphasize P Abama or my Ghana because the can emphasize P Abama or my Ghana because look, Kenya the boss enemy see you just be kind of a dry pound now or buy now Nancy Bukupi Gold Coast refinery, you know. Ade Akye when it's a refinery one of in fact is the biggest in West Africa. And I Jana JJ now Esiwakwa. Now Yemfire who are these now over the past 9 years after I and you know Gold Coast refinery so I'm 1 month for Sudia and a year baby with the young you know. HSA your shrink kapa so Sabria ye baba shena to make you know Akoswono. San Francisco for the past 9 years now in San Barbecam. I think there's also the reduction and eventually elimination of historical purity losses occasioned by export. Can you know, say they are agree the purity process now, it will amount for mass, but this time round, I say accurate determination of silver content of Ghana's gold exports and possible retention in the country for local jewelry and fabrication and industry. When the people will cry the power. Look, they say, you know, and I'm refinery, my Ghana gold that are money Gold Coast refinery down and I feel to run refinery studio Omega Omaho Diabetes to Madama. And I'm saying, Baby, humanity. They say, you bet making tea, you see a cocoa, no, 8 million silver, na cast, you know, and then get a couple of months of refinery, several never cast and was over the idea of food and the DM because Yaniku, a year good now, you pay the requirement for Massimo. But to say, Barbe refinery or Memoano, celebrity be a Beccabiano, Celebanzo, one of the precious minerals. Remember, be a better be a wabra, you refine it, you done it, Kakoko, then I mean, why you do know. A better woman, now beginning in a sort of black. I mean, na ye done it, I ye, Kuba, and Kawanka, where ya, then, without wedding, why you if you produce a wedding, also produce a big ring. If you produce a wedding now, about the ring, you need to know. Yeah, the celebrity, you I know what I'm my jewelry manufacturing industry, and so at oh my Ghana. I say adequate availability of refined gold and silver for local jewelers. I have very the kind of if you want to celebrity and then the so you are refining also. So what they refined gold, a jewelry, a yana, a dimupa. So, and in Ayana, my boy, Ghana could Dubai, no matter Salmo, Sukono, no matter Sa, Kumadian and Kawan, and then Yamin Tadiana, refined here, Baby, Jume, or my Ghana, no. Say yes, so a Benyaya, I'm a Bibia Kosu. Now, last one, I don't see here, because Gold Coast refinery, and one capture, and one capture said gold board will free carried interest of 15%. It has a free carried interest. Maybe I won't want to now, know your partner, no catch them free carried interest. So free carried interest is a more sure Kakai. So meaning say Gold Coast refinery, a gold board, yeah. What's the American say? It's the other gold board, and now refinery no cost one. And for today, no ever na good board and this was even no estimate happen. You need to say, you make you do a so you're now to so I'm on my gun a sick of them, it's not branding. I say, last one, that's in the doubt. Also, yes, you need to say LBM, a London Bullion Marketing Association, or more sharehold war, and the Mars, the Kakoko, Dread Minor. Now, I say any business. Baby, we think a couple too free was here, and I think so. We think a couple no send the wood dream on me, a city. It is fine to see any binner. You need that to say, you perceive you this or send by ya. You bring your LBMA certification. That's all my Ghana to bring your LBMA certification. And that's what would you too much. And my think a couple dream no one from it didn't. And we will become a part of the big players in the world. It's Sabra refinery in the Eba Jumano. And on it say Eba Guama, Yakon 10 I'm a LBMA certification or Etima de Abasona. A brass asking where your boss will rack and as you know, maybe enough. One on the see you, Edema, your friends say, Timber of Mine. Now your boss asked them so first you should be able to say that LBMA certification of Crown ahead of it. It is a refinery now by Eba Juma my Ghana no. Say you better do some pension that would now so as a boss said more large scale mining industry no also. Obeshomo now almost so Edumusika Kokono Abba refining instead of a very refining Sikako Nazana Aquaman for Mas. For the years whether small scale mining or whether small scale gold or large scale gold, no. Not over the years since a dry cast Ghana, no. Refining gold no memoir. It is happening for the first, and that is why, as I try for some good team here, that is why, for the first time in history, that you will be, Abaya, what dear, what's a gun in Libya would see. What does happen to Wakuma to cover? Would the Yamias is a Friday would say, oh, my Ghana, I would need a Wusaba for the way.
Kwame Nkwantabisa and now pen temper, but Mami was a question about Konwako. Wait, a PPP now fair direct and indirect jobs, say be creating more estimated, say a bear say.
No, those estimation, you fact figure beyond but you can't refine your Juma Wafu and you and yeah, Juma Chitwa. You can't refine your Juma, you want to say, now what you be you better refine it a year 1 ton, and I said, you better refine it that ton, 1 metric ton of gold. Once when you put the number of people you been here, I'm on my yes, Jumano. And our refinery, you want to call ya ura baby fa kwano e so
yeah
so say to so we free na we kwa what the make character and I so you feel also say you be no at the morning in so 24 hours so just imagine the number of jobs direct and indirect jobs still direct and indirect jobs are a bit creative.
Okay, well I mean say PPP private public partnership ana
a partnership but your sounds will interest your shares would with him. What the carried interest it is our shares now you will know and master refine no a good board
we have yeah bear the bear year now you don't say it's infusion.
Send me the kind and I expect you to listen because from the 1st of February that is Bosumi and I dreamed the university.
Okay, that means facility now ready. And another person because you said I listened.
Oh,
but that
is
the facility ready
for the past 9 years. Facility needs to yeah, it's your mind Ghana. And look, and I'm talking about the largest refinery in West Africa, Gold Coast Refinery. And it's in and they are buying to a Yamasa refinery and yet more my Ghana. The second I expecting it takes you for the past 9 years. And I feel that well I'm sure every year Yakubu appointed time with me. I feel a bit drag. She said God about you see you some did any share or His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Manie. And my His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, brand new for demo. On the kind of commissions a year Gold Coast Refinery. And I said no. Mommy and Tulika because I want to get in a this one didn't work. Say you think I call you better than you need to know at my cost. Now to get Piaba my Ghana. And that is the reason today they are celebrating and saying that refinery about the year Abuama direct and indirect jobs about Abuama a normal content themselves by ya LBMA certified. Abuama say a barber share that traceability in Mukina because say you be LBMA satisfied now refinery be koswa baby asika kokolu free banon so yadia everybody here. So meaning say yeah it's our technology now because you big now so near the one year who baby asika kokola e di gano e free banon I say na ever be say na yeba be se Mukina pa na be just me SCP. So this is good news for Ghana. Nkwantabisa.
Kwame Arope Mame Nasi.
All right, Mr. Medase.
Okay. Prince Kwame Minka ana Odru Ghana young gold border ono ana ye head of communications on the Kasama gold board no. So it is good news for us say Ghana at least young gold na ye de kwam no in media there be na me say a free time and memorial about the Drew Samring yen products bebre why ye was of mine ye ya near the raw material no ya export it near jequens kakra so then there will be a refinery somewhere and the finished product ebaba bonting na asaba beton ama yen raw material na was ye enjoy and even send the finished product no ebe kwa bonten amankofo atobi no ye mom no mkoya se koku a ye chocolate kakra ha de aka yom de ko omko refining into other things no ma packaging it fine no mo de aba beji abodin say ye petrol before say Ghana ba discover say ye benya oil kra wo memu na in the wisdom of the first president Dr. Kwame Nkwantabisa so ne dayam na say a time will come I will say other countries kra no yetimi refine your oil enti yam build it to ya build it to wie ya afa yen nyame ya dom na ya nkasa ye benya oil a yentimi refine kiti kra wa yo ya take it offshore me de ko they are ba we are qualifying it near the abeji abo din. koko saa enti se nei amra na PMC for hod mo so hwe gold so yi saa na ekwa no kra de efefa nchen through illegal means na akwa mu amonone enti one yenya GRA4 nyamfa so bia mfiri so yem benefit in any way afei taxes are omo invade and then almost small go the Korea obasa ko refine ring board mpetia board they say yeah pure gold nko ade a ebu karat no kura nru babia but because say refining and yen some of these things here the basa na ne bo na abaye diamai. So it is very important say the refining has been there for years but ya in back and forth the China me was a prince I also won't ye no I don't even mean I said there is a difference in between say a dino I am ready and if you can facility entails a lot of things Sompa I say they I say a weird dine ya dim for nyina bon ho bibia bon it is not ready until said to be certified by engineers akaso okasa on the megahertz no obi tini to 93.1 obeja TV no so no obi change ko channel we e wo multi so e wo digital so obenya. That is where we say I am ready, not the building because ya who you are this Commander Sugar Factory buy ya waka che so bibia ready even yanyan confirm be planting ombe don't know. He said the facility was not ready. Ya dia grossa we ba no pompiska or next kind of shit. No ma we can bro for na pinido na area no ko. Sir. And if I say a facility I ready. I know what I'm saying. I can give examples over examples over examples. Ya hunyama ekoswa ya na boy. So it's good news for us. And I always say Sami Jamfi enwuni wani masi. Because he's one of the young gentlemen. Saminim kasa yepa. And he did what man no Kumasi or Metropole or Kemi. Satima Rabu Poku Hanyina. Yehu Diara branch ye. And the 12th time or the man MPP as at that time. So you cannot fail, say Kasankwa. And they are Obomodin Yabeka. Say Name Fasama say Chiaswa, Yenya and Yabesanka. And sometimes you guys should bear with us. Say, yeah, Juman is dead, dear, say. There be a better animal who say. Kinzuba and Yadia Yedmakan, our queen, I ain't a banuso. Onya de Yedmakan, then den emu. There be. But make us say, Nippano, sometimes we and you put to be a refuge. The program may to be one producer, second say, oh, let's jump to her. Call about you say, you see, you have to what here. You'll be monologue. And this yeah, dear na boy bet ya. And that boy pay yeah. Now don't make a round the abbey dear go for say. Bad your boy crab me. What to be to be one. As my catch was a dear the womb. And the womb. The woman will be a be 6 feet. Did you now bet him the room? So me some of these days and have a back across over be me. So we be I know but maybe that type. You cannot be threatening me and doing that. That's how you might cry. Oh, boy, cry and go baby. So that is it. At the God board for I can send baby. Now the benefits I be no gold board for Ade Akye. Now Osha gold refining agreement cost between Ghana Gold Board and Gold Coast Refinery. In fact, Oma bulete enya kro edudie yebenya edudie anya hwe edudie yebenya na very interesting. Say some of these things you know ebeboyin. The already number 1 makuma kudu na mamin tibi hu nkyerɛw. This will be the first ever local gold refinery agreement between the government of Ghana and a local refinery for value addition to the country precious mineral. Bibia local. Na fe yenya leader or ding leader na ni da ho na obeboaye. Millions of dollars in refining charges which would have been paid to refineries in Dubai. The dear go near their called Dubai no more refining. India, Hong Kong, Switzerland, and other foreign countries would now be retained in Ghana economy. Mekoba eyedu. Truly mami fa we ensia eyedu. Mami komra mekoba yebedi hu nkomo pa. Na kind of react nso nkomo no. Ewo hono. Kind of react say the case no omotu akose 27th April. And the US immigration court they say case no omusa betena so awo 27th of April. Na areba kwa na lawyers na ne say na detention ho na wo no ba bia na oda no ero wo ye kanu foriata atade a na ehye no I am reliably informed say ye detainia atade ba kwa ye ma ahye no say bia Ghana awu ye prison for na no bi mhye white a star bomb blue a star bomb ye detainia ye watade a wo hye enti oba court wo no wa hye jacket bia guso sa obeduro na osoro. Oh, ni panzeri pass as usual. Eh. Beba sports for you beba ye be ko ken oforiata nkomo no nyoma eboboba what we there was a wote ene there was so hu just ni nyina wa ha no pa me anam de beba unti odi ajabotre ye ba team ni nyina beba betena se oba pa Barbara Ejina production sans na Kwame Ajako join us this morning na yakoso edi nkomo na minority enso de nsem bi atodwa on press conference na me ba nyoma bi won ma ya na fani kakra o ye bedi ho nkobo era na Kwame Osun Nkwantabisa na Nkwantabisa ni me ko na Orlando aye ready Mbapa aye ready o de me nka hwe wa onim de abcc ba me komra